Hello there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the power of journaling for manifesting. But first, let's define what manifesting is. Simply put, it's the art of bringing your desires into reality, and the law of attraction says that we attract what we focus on, whether positive or negative, into our lives. Now, suppose you're new to the concept of manifesting. In that case, the first step is to remove any negative thoughts and replace them with positive ones. While this may be easier said than done, we always love to provide tangible techniques to help you along the way. Before you begin these journaling techniques, we recommend getting a journal only used for manifesting. We suggest this because we want to keep the energy consistent throughout the process. This high vibrational exercise will eventually turn into a daily habit that helps you stay positive. Next, clear your distractions. Turn your phone on, do not disturb, turn off the television, and get into a comfortable environment where you can let your mind wander for a bit. Pick a time of day when you can eliminate distractions and ease your mind so that you're not journaling from a place of stress, negativity, or low energy. Relaxing and clearing your mind before starting your journaling process is recommended. This can be done by listening to a calming playlist or meditating. By doing so, you create a positive mindset and eliminate any negativity, making room for positivity to flow in. Do you often feel overwhelmed with thoughts and ideas racing through your mind? Journaling can assist you with these issues. Keeping a journal allows you to organize your thoughts, track your progress, and focus on your aspirations. One of the manifestation methods you can try is called future scripting. This involves writing the future of your life as if you've already lived it. Write down your desires as if they've already come to fruition, and read your script daily to help bring those desires into reality. Future scripting is an effective manifestation technique that involves imagining and writing about your future, increasing the likelihood of manifesting it into reality. Our thoughts, feelings, and emotions emit a vibrational frequency. When we align our frequency with what we desire, we become a powerful magnet for manifestation. By using future scripting, you can align your vibration with your desired outcomes and attract them into your life with ease. Another journaling technique for manifestation is identifying your goals and what you want to attract into your life. Here are some journal prompts to start. First, what would your ideal day look like? Next, what kind of person do you want? Finally, what are your goals for the future? Incorporating gratitude into your journaling practice is an essential aspect of manifesting. Gratitude can amplify your manifestation by quickly raising your vibrations to a more positive and aligned frequency with your desires. By taking just a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're grateful for, you shift your focus to the abundance in your life and generate a sense of contentment and fulfillment. This positive mindset and heightened vibration will attract even more abundance and positivity into your life, making gratitude a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. So remember to make gratitude a regular part of your journaling practice and watch as your life transforms for the better. Finally, to maximize the benefits of journaling for manifestation, it's essential to make it a daily habit. Our thoughts and behaviors shape our reality. By establishing a routine that regularly aligns with your desires, you increase the chances of staying at a high vibration and attracting what you want into your life. Consistent journaling allows you to reinforce your goals, track your progress, and maintain a positive mindset, making it a critical part of your manifestation journey. So make journaling a daily habit and watch as you attract the abundance and positivity you deserve into your life. So there you have it. Give it a try and see the power of manifesting through journaling for yourself. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.